Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Eric Patterson. Today I will show you how to add build tool in Jenkins. So first of all, let's start by asking ourselves, what is a build tool in Jenkins? Build tool and Jenkins are like, for example, the tool that Jenkins use to like specifically do something. For example, Jenkins use tool like, for example, Docker to go ahead and build images. Jenkins use tool like Maven to build Java code. Jenkins use tool like NPM. Use tool like NPM, for example, to build other code. So there are multiple build tool out there, and you need to know how to configure them. Now, if you go under Manage Jenkins, see the section called Tool. That's how we configure build tool. Now, if you install a tool, for example, if you install a plugin, right? Like if you install like the Maven plugin, it will come here under tool because Maven is a tool, for example. So if you want to configure a tool, you come here like Java is also a tool. So if you want to configure Java, I just have to add Java here, right? And I can give him a name. For example, I can configure like where's Java? I can say Java home, right? Configure it, like call it Java home. You will come here, you can drop on this down menu and you can look at the Java environment that you want to use. So I want to pick the latest. Then here you need to agree here. And that's it. And you can set multiple of them if you want, right? This is just an installer, right? So if you want to like run, or you can add another one. This is Git. You can set this like this is a default Git, right? If you want to install Git automatically, you can add here. If you have like an installer for Git, you can also go ahead and put it here. The same thing goes for Gradle, Maven, SonarQube, right? And the Sonar scanner. If you remember, we configured this on the previous video. Here's Maven. We can also add Maven here. You can add, for example, like Maven Home, which is like the tool that is used to build Java code. And you can pick the version of Maven that you want Jenkins to use. And it's just very simple. Here, you don't really need to like add installer. You just have to tell Jenkins what is here, and you can apply and save. So you just add. That's how you add it through. You add it through, for example, in Jenkins. It's just that simple. Going here under the tool section and configuring the tool that you want. If you don't see the tool that you want here, you need to go install the plugin of that tool. And when you install the plugin of that tool will definitely come out here. I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.